Hey there, nature lovers! Have you ever taken a moment to appreciate the delicate beauty of butterflies as they flutter by? These tiny creatures are more than just a pretty sight. They play a vital role in our ecosystem. Imagine a world without butterflies. Sounds impossible, right? But what if I told you that this scenario is not as far-fetched as it seems? The shocking truth is, we're closer to that reality than you might think. The decline in butterfly populations is a serious issue that could have far-reaching consequences. Butterflies are more than just pretty wings fluttering in the breeze. They're crucial pollinators, helping plants reproduce by transferring pollen from one flower to another. Without them, many plants would struggle to reproduce, leading to a decline in plant diversity and abundance. This could lead to a ripple effect throughout the ecosystem, affecting not just plants, but also the animals that rely on them for food and shelter. Less pollination means fewer plants, which means less food for other animals. Herbivores that depend on these plants would struggle to find enough to eat, and it doesn't stop there. The entire food web could be thrown off balance. Butterflies are a food source themselves. Birds, bats, and other critters rely on them for sustenance. Take away butterflies, and you're disrupting food chains, leaving many animals without a crucial part of their diet. Picture a domino effect, causing imbalance that could impact everything from small insects to larger mammals. The loss of butterflies could trigger a cascade of negative effects throughout the ecosystem. Now, let's talk about the role butterflies play in science. They're not just important for the environment, they're also valuable to researchers. Butterflies are bioindicators, meaning their presence or absence tells us about the health of our environment. Scientists study them to understand broader ecological changes. If butterflies start disappearing, it's a huge red flag that something's wrong. It could indicate issues like habitat loss, climate change, or pesticide use. These tiny creatures are like nature's early warning system, alerting us to environmental problems before they become too severe. It might be habitat loss, climate change, or pesticide use. Each of these factors can have a devastating impact on butterfly populations. They're like nature's early warning system, signaling us to take action before it's too late. And let's not forget the sheer joy and inspiration they bring. Butterflies symbolize transformation and beauty, captivating our hearts and minds. Butterflies symbolize transformation and beauty. Their life cycle, from caterpillar to chrysalis to butterfly, is a powerful metaphor for change and growth. Losing them would be like losing tiny, colorful pieces of our soul. Their absence would leave a void in our natural world and in our hearts. It's a loss that would affect our hearts as much as our planet. The emotional and ecological impact would be profound. So, what can you do? Start by planting butterfly-friendly gardens. Avoid using harmful pesticides. Support conservation efforts. Every little action helps. Start by planting butterfly-friendly gardens. Avoid using harmful pesticides. Support conservation efforts. Every little action helps. You can also educate others about the importance of butterflies and encourage them to take action. Together, we can keep these incredible creatures fluttering for generations to come. Thanks for tuning in. Remember, every small change makes a big difference. Let's protect our butterflies and the beauty they bring into our world. See you next time.